Walking away is often seen as a difficult choice, but it can be a powerful tool for personal growth. It involves recognizing when a situation, relationship, or opportunity no longer serves your best interests. By choosing to step back, you create space for reflection and self-discovery. This act is not about giving up, but about prioritizing your well-being and values. Walking away can lead to greater clarity, helping you make decisions that align with your true goals. Ultimately, it empowers you to take control of your life and move forward with confidence. This story begins with a series of challenges that seemed insurmountable. The individual faced mounting pressures, both personally and professionally, which gradually took a toll on their well-being. Despite persistent efforts to make things work, the situation continued to deteriorate, leaving them feeling trapped and exhausted. It was in this moment of adversity that a crucial realization occurred: the need to prioritize their own happiness and growth. This turning point marked the decision to walk away, setting the stage for a transformative journey ahead. Before reaching the decision to walk away, individuals often grapple with a complex web of emotions. Doubt, fear, and guilt can weigh heavily, making it difficult to distinguish between what is best for oneself and what is expected by others. There may be a persistent hope that things will improve, countered by the growing realization that change is unlikely. Internal conflicts intensify as personal values clash with the desire for comfort or stability. This emotional turmoil can lead to sleepless nights and constant second-guessing. Ultimately, the struggle lies in reconciling the heart's longing for peace with the mind's rational assessment of the situation. At this pivotal moment, the protagonist stands at a crossroads, weighed down by the remnants of their past. After much reflection, they recognize that clinging to old habits and beliefs only hinders their growth. With a deep breath, they make the courageous decision to let go of what no longer serves them. This choice is not made lightly, but it marks a profound shift in their journey. By releasing these burdens, the protagonist opens themselves to new possibilities and a future shaped by hope and self-discovery. Choosing to walk away from a challenging situation can have both immediate and lasting effects. In the short term, individuals often experience a sense of relief and personal empowerment as they reclaim control over their choices and boundaries. Over time, this decision can open doors to new opportunities, whether in personal growth, relationships, or career paths. The act of stepping away allows for reflection and the chance to pursue paths that better align with one's values and aspirations. Ultimately, walking away is not just about leaving something behind, but about moving forward toward a more fulfilling future. Reflecting on this experience, several valuable lessons emerge. One key takeaway is the importance of adaptability when facing unexpected challenges. By staying open-minded and resilient, it's possible to navigate even the most difficult situations. Another insight is the value of seeking support from others, as collaboration often leads to creative solutions. Viewers can apply these lessons by embracing change, maintaining a positive outlook, and reaching out for help when needed. These strategies not only foster personal growth, but also empower individuals to overcome obstacles in their own lives. Walking away can be one of the most powerful decisions we make in our lives. It often marks the beginning of new opportunities, personal growth, and renewed confidence. Embracing change, though sometimes daunting, allows us to break free from situations that no longer serve us. By choosing to move forward, we open the door to possibilities we may never have imagined. Remember, letting go is not a sign of weakness, but a courageous step toward a brighter future. Trust in your ability to adapt and thrive, and never underestimate the transformative power of walking away when the time is right.